How to fix Snapchat cameos if not showing up. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So if your Snapchat cameos aren't showing up, here's how you can find them. So Snapchat has renamed and moved the cameos feature to something else. So go ahead and open your Snapchat application and log into your account. Make sure that it's updated to its latest version as well. Now tap on the profile picture icon in the top left corner of the screen. Then tap on the gear icon in the top right. Scroll down and there you will see the option of Bitmoji, which is under notifications and apps from Snap. Tap on it. There you will see three different options, that is change outfit, edit my Bitmoji, or choose a selfie. So go to choose a selfie and you should now be able to clear or update your selfie. Choose the avatar that you'd like to set and tap on done. Moreover, you can also go ahead and change your outfit or edit your Bitmoji. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.